All right, you're watching this right now because you want to know how to design your circuit board. So, the front of your circuit board can have questions or pictures or words or anything that you're interested in, okay? It needs to be your idea though, your original idea that you like stuff about. So, there are 3 ways to do it. The first way is you can use a picture. And what you want to do is it's a match the label to the diagram picture. So you just put one side and the other. Now it's really important that you have the same amount of circles on one side as you do on the other. And it's really important that you mix up your answers a little bit. So like the eyebrows are here and here. They're not like the first ones right straight across from each other. And the hair is here and the hair is here. The forehead is here and the forehead mark is here. So they're a little bit mixed up. So here's the nose and it's down here. But you want to keep some of them like across from each other and some of them mixed up. So don't put these all in order. Okay, so you can do a picture with labels or a diagram with labels. You could do anything with that. Like you could do a face, you could do a horse, you could do a rabbit, whatever your favorite animal is. You could do a basketball court, whatever you're interested in. All right, the next one you could do is match the question to the answer. So these are just basic, any old questions. You can do it with a theme, like you can do like all Harry Potter questions with all Harry Potter answers, or you could do all math questions with all math answers, or you could do all fruits with all fruit questions and answers. And that's fine too, whatever you're interested in, and this is important that you're interested in it, okay? This is not a group project, this is your project, so you need to be interested in it. The last type of design on the front of your circuit board could look like this. And you could just have pictures and labels or colors and labels. This one is probably the easiest, simplest thing to do. Please don't choose anything that you already have to look up the answers for. Choose things that you know the answers to, that you can pull from your brain right away. Don't be like, oh, I think the answer to how you spell whatever. So anyway, you could do like the 50 states and capitals, you could do like countries and capitals, you could do oceans of the world, you could do animals and matching their name, all kinds of cool opportunities to design the front of your circuit board. So today, you want to make sure that you have 10 questions and 10 answers, okay? They all have to be matching. So we have a match a picture to the term, match a question to the answer, and match a label to the diagram, okay? Now remember, all of these are going to be called buttons. Each one of these circles will be a button, and it will be live so that you can actually connect the question to the answer, and that will be in a complete different video. All right, after you have completed the cover of your circuit board, please bring it to me so I can just glance at it to make sure that it will work for you before you put marker on it so that it looks final. Now, do you have to write it all out? Nope. Did I draw this picture? Nope, you don't have to draw it either. You can take any picture from anything that you want. You can label it with any terms if you want. Do you have to write it out by hand? You don't. You can actually type this stuff up and print it out and bring it in, and you can cut and paste it onto your tag board that we're going to use. You can write it out, but if you know you don't like your handwriting, it's fine. If you want to print out a whole paper, like design it on a piece of paper on your computer and print it out at home, or you could email it to me. Maybe if you're lucky, I'll print it for you. But I can't print in color, okay? So they look a lot more fun if you do them in color. But if you want to do the whole thing on a computer, that's fine. But you have to make sure you space them at least an inch apart, maybe 3/4 of an inch apart, so that you have 10 buttons on one side and 10 on the other. So it might be a formatting nightmare if you decide to actually print it out on a computer. If you decide to just do words and shapes or pictures from magazines, this is an easy way to do it too. All right, so today from this video, now you know how to design the front cover of your circuit board. Make sure you do it in pencil first. If you're drawing straight lines, use a ruler. Use a ruler. Straight lines look better than I think I tried. Straight lines, use a ruler, okay? You can also use like stencils. Those are kind of fun to do too. So make sure that you line everything up, and then you have a rough draft in pencil first, because then you can erase, and then do either ink or Sharpie or marker, and you can decorate it with stickers if you want for your final. But in between your rough draft and your final draft, please make sure you come and see me so I can make sure that it's correct. All right, good luck designing the cover of your circuit board. I can't wait to see how creative, artistic, and fun you are with all of your knowledge.